Get into the retwist.
Get into the retwist.
It's giving long. Long. I'm about to go put me a shell back on here because I loved it and I need it back. Got the tea? Let's look, it's hot now. It's hot. I got my shell and I'm like, I've had people ask me how to do this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all. So I have a shell and I have a rubber band. This is my lone rubber band that I think I have here. And it's definitely been used before. So let's hope it doesn't pop. I'm gonna be very gentle. If I didn't find this rubber band, I was just gonna go get some thread for like sew-ins. Of course, I always have this one here in the front and it's crazy. It's just getting longer and longer. Like it's about to pass my eye. Insane. Okay, so we're gonna take the shell. I got these shells from Nigeria. Motherland type, like we are not the same. No. But you can get shells from pretty much anywhere. If you want like authentic ones, you can try to find some on like Etsy or whatever. But of course you can find plastic ones like anywhere. They all have this little slit in the middle of them. What you're gonna do is feed the rubber band through. So in order to make that possible, pinch the rubber band. Usually there's like kind of like more of a pointier end. I've done this so much that like I kind of know what the top of the shell is. So I want my rubber band to be up on this side. Feed the rubber band through. Let's see, it's coming through the other side. I don't even know what this loop is called, but now we have, can you see? The rubber band is on either side. Then we're just going to feed one side of this through the other side. So again, we still have this one pinched. I'm just going to put that through this side. I usually just fold it over. And then you pull. Once you put it through, you pull. That is what creates this sort of like knot here at the top. So you'll have that knot. You have the knot and then like a little loop. And I just use this loop here to wrap around the lock. So the way that I do it is I just start up a little bit, like 1/4 of an inch. And then as I'm twisting and wrapping it around, I'm pulling it down. You know, I'm pulling, twisting in that direction. Twist, wrap around. It's kind of like a ponytail. Twist, wrap around. Twist it, wrap it around. And again, I'm really trying to make sure this rubber band doesn't pop. Twist, twist, twist. And until you really can't anymore. And there it is. Oh my gosh. My cat. Jigga, go lay down. Go lay down. Hush it up. He hears me talking, so he thinks that I'm talking to him. I'm not. But yeah. So there it is. Ah! As y'all know, in the past, I have worn my shell like this in the back, really to just kind of give me an idea of where my locks really are. Because of course, like I got my hair retwisted today, so it's really stretched out. My sister does a good job of stretching my locks and just kind of like having them dry that way so that I can really see my length. But over the next couple weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, my hair will definitely be shrinking as moisture hits it and all that good stuff. So this one just pretty much gives it some weight so that it still lays down, hangs down even when the rest of my hair stands up. And I'm just able to see what my locks like, what the length really is. See what I'm saying? But I was missing my little shell and I'm happy I got it back. Update.